Hey friends, have you ever seen a bird with mostly a red triangular crest on its head, with a long and strong sharp beak pecking a tree? I think yes, because it's a very common sight. I believe everybody would have seen it. What is that bird called? Yes, you are right. It's a woodpecker. But have you ever thought why do woodpeckers peck the trees? Let me tell you the reasons which I know. Number 1, to find food. Finding food by pecking trees? Is that possible? Yes, when woodpeckers see larvae, ants, or any other insect within the wood, then they start pecking to get to them. And do you know, woodpeckers have very sticky and long tongues, almost 3 times the length of its beak. The long sticky tongue helps the bird to reach to the insect. In this way, woodpeckers not only keep the insect population down, but also protects the trees from the insects. The second reason why they drill into trees is to make nests. They make huge holes and continue building nests throughout the year. Do you know? By building a new house every time they are helping other birds too? But how? Let me tell you. When they build a new house, then they leave the old one. In this way, they provide ready-made homes for other birds and small animals who cannot make homes by themselves, like squirrels, snakes, and owls, and many other birds. The third reason why woodpeckers peck the trees is that they make small holes with their beak and store food for the long winter season. Fourth reason is why do woodpeckers peck the trees is that they communicate by pecking at the trees, and also to warn their predators to keep out of their territory. Do you know how many times a woodpecker can peck? It is capable of pecking 12,000 times per day. Now are you thinking a bird would peck 20 times per second? But why doesn't it suffer headache or brain injuries? It's because it has special bone which covers its entire skull and absorbs shock and protects its skull. Friends, woodpeckers are omnivorous. They eat insects and also berries, seeds, and nuts. Another amazing fact that woodpecker doesn't keep its tongue in its beak, but wrap it around the skull, and the tip of the tongue rests in the right nostril. Did you know, friends, that woodpeckers have furry noses? Yeah, their nostrils are covered with feathers to keep the dust out while they peck. Now let's draw and color a woodpecker. My woodpecker is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. Hope to see you next time.